So this quick video is going to show you how to crop your pasted image. So here I have my project that I just finished, and I took a screenshot of it, and if you're not sure how to do that, you watch this video, and now I am pasting it into my document. Here it is. But unfortunately, this is too large. This is not what I want, right? It's covering everything up. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it, meaning cut out the areas that aren't important. And I do that by double clicking on my image. So I do 2 quick clicks, and then you notice these little black areas show up, these corner markers and side markers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag these areas in to better crop my image. Again, to crop an image means you get rid of unnecessary information. And you want to do it in a balanced way. So you want these sides to be similar, okay? So your left and right side could be about the same width, and then the height spacing here and here could also be the same, all right? So here I have it. I like the way how it came out, and now I'm pressing enter. Again, this is still a little bit too large. By pressing enter, I was able to get rid of the cropping feature. And now what I can do is I can scale my artwork. You do not want to stretch your artwork. You do not want to squish your artwork, right? So we're going to scale it so that it fits within this table. So I'm going to get it so that it fits within. And now I have my artwork in the artwork slot, okay? If I wanted to change this, I'd just simply double click it again, and then I can drag these sides and corners how I would like to better crop my image.